Hello, fifth graders. Today we are looking at lesson 8-6. We're going to be revisiting a couple things, one, area, and two, multiplying fractions. So in your notebooks, I want you to draw my garden. Now, my garden has fractional lengths. My width over here is 2/3 of a yard wide, and it is 5/4 yards long. So what if I wanted to find the area, what would our formula be? Right, if you said length times width, you are correct. So let's plug in those numbers. What's my length? What's my width? Well, it doesn't matter. We can put either one as the length, but I'll put 5/4, and our width would be 2/3. Now, what is the rule when we're multiplying fractions? If you said go straight across the bottom and top, that would be correct. So we're going to do 5 times 2 equals 10, and we're going to do 4 times 3 equals 12. So let's use a model now to represent this so we can see it and understand it more visually. I'm going to draw the garden, but this time I'm going to separate it into fourths. And you can draw this in your notebook. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. Now, because I need to represent 5/4, and from right here to right here, we have 4/4, we need another fourth. So I'm going to draw another fourth. So this now gives me, from here all the way to here, 5/4. Next, I want to represent 2/3. So we're going to chop this side view into thirds. And now we get to color this in. So let's color in 2/3. Well, I have section 1 here, section 2, section 3. So I'm going to color in 2 sections out of the 3. There's 1 section, and there's 2 sections colored in. Now, for 5/4, I get to color in 5 sections. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we got to think, okay, what shape was our hole? So right here, that was originally our 4/4 and our 3/3. Right here. So out of all of them, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12 total. And then we have to identify which of those sections have both colors. So one color was black, the other color was yellow. So we have right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And there's 2 more over here, 9 and 10, which gives us 10/12. Okay, let's look at another one here, but this time we're going to use a 4x4 grid. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And this time we are going to have a garden that is 1/4 by 1/4. Now, if we just multiply, we go straight across the top, straight across the bottom, and we get 1/16. So let's see if that's true. Over here we have our 4x4 grid. So 1/4 would just be 1 square shaded in, and then 1/4 on this side would also be 1/4 shaded in. So actually 1/4 would be all the way down, and then 1/4 would be all the way across. And then to identify, we have one that has both colors in it. So how many total squares do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 total. And then how many pieces have both colors intersecting? And that would be one piece.